Okay, hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about the installation of the Oracle. So the main purpose is to do the practice. So for the practice, we prefer to install the Oracle Express Edition. Okay, so let's browse the Chrome. So in the latest version, so there are some, sometime there is an error and you can't install it. So you can install Oracle. Okay, let's go for the Google first. Okay. So now Oracle XE, that is Express Edition, old version download, and you must follow this link. And here there are different platforms. So I'm having a 64-bit of Windows, so I will go for this. So latest is I think more than 20, but this is a uh, previous release. So download the setup. So it asks you to sign in. So you must sign in to the Oracle. You have to create the account. Fine. Okay. So now after sign in, so download it has just begin. So it's a hardly 317 MB, whereas the latest version that is in I think in a GBs. So we have to wait 6 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. So now you must open this. Now right click on this and you have to extract all in the same folder. I'm going to extract. So this is just unzipping all the files, and this is the folder you will get. Double click it, and here we are having these three, and we are going to launch the setup for this. Just double click on the setup. Now we have to follow the instructions. Okay, so do you want to allow? Yes, I want to allow. Okay, now you just press next. You must accept the license agreement. So this is for the Express Edition. Again, yes, next. Okay, so it will just okay. So now here you must remember the password. Whatever the password you are going to set, you must remember this. Okay, next, install. So now it's just installing the files for the Oracle 11G Express Edition. So it will take time depending upon your hardware configuration. So now in the older version, so the beauty is that you can uh, have a GUI interface. So in the latest interface, it's hard to find the GUI interface, but in the older version, you can either execute your queries in a command line mode or in a GUI mode. So we must wait until our installation will be completely done. So configuring databases. So in Express Edition, we already having some couple of tables on which you can execute the queries, and you can create your own too. Okay, so now you have to press finish. So now here we are done with the setup, and now you are having this files. Getting started with Oracle database 11G Express Edition. Just click on it. So that icon has been developed by the setup itself. So now you will get this kind of a interface. So now here application express. So click on this link, and username is system. So there are default user which has been already created in an express edition. One of them is a system. So this was the password which I set at the installation time. So let's log in. So now here we are going to create the user. We are going to create a new user. That is the password, just to that is the system password, you can say, of a Oracle database Express Edition. So okay, database name, create new database user. Okay, there's the username. So I'm going to create Aman. Okay, Express username. So I will take it same. You can set any password and create workspace. So now separate uh, schema, or you can space has been given to this particular user. So now you can create your own schema with this user. So let's click on create workspace. Not now. Okay, so now again I'm going to click on this Express Edition. Now here I already created this workspace, so I'm going to use this, already having an account, login here. So now I'm going to log in with whatever the user I have created, fine, under the system login. So here I'm going to set the password which I set in a GUI mode. So now here login. Now here if you want to run the SQL queries, so this is a SQL workshop, and under that SQL commands. So now you will have this kind of an interface. So now, like, select star from tab. So let's run this. You can select the particular statement and go for run. So these are the tables already mentioned over there, fine. So can I increase 10 more rows? Okay, so if you want to see more rows, so you must select the number of rows it's going to display in a one run. So now look, emp and the DEP department, find demo user. So these are table which has already been created. So let's see what is in a emp table. Select star from emp. Let's run this. So this is employee table, fine. So it's having us some dummy data. So this is all for today. So that was related to the just installation. Okay, feel free to ask any question in a comment section. Okay, thanks for watching.